Okay, what you're doing is you keep balance here. I'll show you from the front view too. I'm balanced as much as I can be. Here, kick. Here, kick, right? Now watch, stay balanced. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. This part of it, you know, and you just keep going with that for about, I don't know, 30 of them maybe. And that would help you toughen up the hands a lot too. Plus flexibility. Now remember that one we did earlier, the standing exercise like that? So here I'm doing it with the knees. So inhale as you lift up. Exhale as you come down. Inhale as you lift. Exhale as you come down. Inhale. Exhale, inhale, exhale. And what we're going to do is something different from right here now. This is going to be for your wrists, which is important. So what you do is bring your legs down. You bring your arms like this here so that you've got your palms up, back of hands to the floor. Now from here, if this is enough, this is all you do. And I'm pushing up a bit like that. Now from right here, bring your legs up in the back like that and just spread your feet apart there. If it's too much for you, all you do is stay about like this height and just go up a tiny bit. See, like that. When I'm coming up, I'm trying to hold it as long as I can, then I come out of it. And you can bring your arms back like this and just roll the wrists a little bit then.